In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen error in Squad Busters. First thing I recommend you doing is I recommend you restart your device, because this might just fix the issue, as simple as it sounds, but if restarting your device does not work, you want to make sure it's compatible with the game. This means that actually making sure your iOS or Android is up to date and is actually allowed to be played. As you can see, I'm on the website right now, and it's been updated in May of 2024. Meaning it will list the devices of what is actually allowed to be played on. Like an iPhone 4, for example, will not be able to work. Next, to go to your device settings and actually reset the cache of the game. So how you do this, you go to app info, and then from here all you do is you click on the option to see how many gigabytes it's taking up and make sure your phone has enough space. And if you don't, then that's obviously an issue and you cannot continue to fix this black screen error, because you obviously need storage to play the game. And if none of that works, I recommend just reinstalling and restarting the game entirely, because this might just do it, or just logging out of your account. And yeah, so that's how you fix the black screen error on Brawl Stars. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you.